5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Wednesday. Coastal flood watch now in effect Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Wednesday. Locations: along far western Long Island Sound and Peconic and Gardiner's Bays. Tidal departures: between 3 to 4 feet above astronomical tides Wednesday evening, and 2.5 to 3.5 feet Thursday morning. Beach erosion: breaking waves of 2 to 5 feet across western Long Island Sound and 4 to 8 feet across the Twin Forks of Long Island will locally enhance inundation. Timing: minor to moderate coastal flooding is expected during the times of high tide Wednesday evening and Thursday morning. Impacts: widespread minor to locally moderate flooding of vulnerable shore roads and/or basements due to high of storm tide and wave action. Some road closures may be needed. Isolated structural damage may be observed. A coastal flood watch means that conditions favorable for flooding are expected to develop. Coastal residents should be alert for later statements or warnings and take action to protect property. Area in New York, southeast Suffolk, coastal flood warning in effect from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Wednesday. Coastal flood watch now in effect from late Wednesday night through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Wednesday. Locations: along Peconic and Gardiner's Bays. Tidal departures: between 2.5 to 3.5 feet above astronomical tides. Beach erosion: breaking waves of 4 to 8 feet across the South Fork of Long Island will locally enhance inundation. Timing: minor to moderate coastal flooding is expected during the times of high tide Wednesday evening and Thursday morning. Impacts: widespread minor to locally moderate flooding of vulnerable shore roads and/or basements due to high of storm tide and wave action. Some road closures may be needed. Isolated structural damage may be observed. A coastal flood watch means that conditions favorable for flooding are expected to develop. Coastal residents should be alert for later statements or warnings and take action to protect property. Here is the latest weather map discussion. Clouds will be on the increase around the tri-state overnight. Low temperatures will range from the mid-20s across the far northwest sections to the mid-30s around New York City. Low pressure will strengthen to the south on Wednesday, bringing a mix of rain and snow, as well as strong winds, to the region. Additionally, coastal flooding will be possible during the times of high tide. High temperatures will generally be in the lower 40s. Light precipitation is forecast to continue through Friday, with snow being the most likely precipitation for most of the region during much of this period.
You are listening to Ozone Hazards Radio, station KWO 35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO 35 broadcasts on a free